In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate and manage your records using Dream Efficiency 5303 on Salesforce. Whether you're an experienced user or new to Salesforce, following these steps will help you make the most out of your cleanup process. First and foremost, you'll want to navigate to your Salesforce homepage. Just open your web browser and enter the URL associated with your Salesforce setup. It's important to ensure that you're logged in and have the correct permissions to make adjustments. So if you're seeing any issues with access, you might want to check with your Salesforce administrator. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the app launcher. It's typically represented by a grid or waffle icon in the upper left corner of the screen. This feature acts like a gateway to all the apps and functionalities that Salesforce offers, making it a crucial tool for swiftly navigating around. With the app launcher open, the next step is to find the Recycle Bin. The Recycle Bin serves as a temporary holding area for deleted records, giving you a chance to restore any recently deleted data that you need. Keep in mind, items in the Recycle Bin aren't permanent and will be purged after a set period, depending on your organization's settings. Now, once you've located and opened the Recycle Bin, your focus should shift to applying filters. You can find the Filters option towards the top. Filters help you sort through the data quickly and efficiently by allowing you to specify criteria such as date ranges or specific fields. This step is particularly useful if you have a vast amount of records to sort through and you're trying to zero in on specific items. Once you filter the results to your satisfaction, you'll need to select the records you're interested in. To do this, simply check the boxes next to the relevant records. Selection is vital as it tells Salesforce exactly which data you're looking to work with, especially in bulk actions such as restoration. After selecting your records, you might want to deselect others by clicking on the X next to any unwanted record. This ensures that only your desired records are involved in the next step of the process. Finally, with your selected records in hand, click the Restore button. You should see this option clearly displayed, often near the record list options. Clicking Restore will move the records back into their original location, effectively recovering any data you might have removed by mistake. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to manage and restore your Salesforce records efficiently, minimizing data loss and maximizing productivity. Be sure to regularly review and tidy up your data to maintain a clean working environment. Happy restoring!